Hi everyone, this is Kay Dart here at Shepherd University's Fastener Lab, and in this video we're going to continue looking at how we can edit models in Meshmixer, and specifically going over how we can use the select tool and specifically use the inspector tool to fill holes in our model if we have them. So let's dive into Meshmixer and take a look at our model. Now it's actually a really clean model, but for right now I'll just cut off some little areas to give ourselves an example of what's happening. So in the select tool, if I use brush, I can just select different areas. Now that's going to select a volumetric selection. You can also do spherical disc or unwrap brush. You can also use the lasso tool. Now the lasso tool is going to select everything in that view. So for example, the lasso tool, if it's going around the object, it's going to select everything on that edge. So that's the entire bottom edge. Whereas before I used it, it was just selecting what was on the model. So just, some little details to be aware of. So I'm going to go back to select. I'm just going to select, a couple spots here, select this spot, and I'll select this spot. Now from there you have options to edit. You can do bridge, tube handle, offset, extract. We'll get into some of these a little more in depth, but for right now I'm actually just going to delete these. So I'm just going to delete. And so this is just a good example of what might happen if your model isn't 100% clean. You might have some little holes like this, and they might be just a hole or they might be along the edge. So there's a real easy way to take care of these is we can go to Analyze, and we're going to go to Inspector, and it's going to show you where there's going to be some problems in the model and show you holes specifically. So we've got two. Now I'm going to change from flat to smooth just because these are really nice smooth surfaces. And I'm going to increase that just a bit. And I'm going to select one of them, and pretty straightforward, pretty easy with that because it's very convex. You can see that some of the texture is gone, but that's okay. We can actually kind of bring that back. So for up here, if I select it, it's again kind of making a flatter but also somewhat curvy part. Now, it's not exactly, following the wing, but we can come back with our sculpt tools and try to bring those back if we need to. So for right now, I'm just going to undo those all the way back because we did have a clean model. And the inspector tool is pretty powerful because you can really try to fill up some of those holes. And yeah, pretty quick video. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.